Hey readers, the other day I told you all about a show I like to watch, where a journalist raises issues and works to inform viewers. What I didn't tell you is that I usually watch this show with another person or other people. And then right after we watch, or sometimes even during it, we end up having a conversation, and sometimes that ends up being a mini debate type of thing. So, like last night, I was watching with some people, and there was a section about how tourists shouldn't go to Antarctica because they're hurting it. So I never really thought about it before. So my friend goes, wow, people really shouldn't go to Antarctica. It's not good for the natural environment. And I was like, well, it's so mysterious though, and people really want to go explore its uniqueness. We went back and forth, citing different examples we had heard on the news report. Our conversation back and forth helped us learn more about the other side that we didn't agree with or that we didn't know too much about. So the research you started recently works just like this. It can lead to a discussion, and it can lead to some follow-up questions. Today I want to teach you that after reading about an issue for a bit, nonfiction readers can let their research spur quick flash debates. This can help you clarify your thinking and know what further research you might need to do. So I thought we could practice with the chocolate milk topic. So you've been reading a lot about it, I've been reading a lot about it, and I've been taking some notes. Here's what I found. So on the for side over here, chocolate milk has nutrients. Chocolate milk gets kids to drink more milk. Kids who don't drink chocolate milk don't consume more sugar, fat, or calories. The School Nutrition Association, a new study, kids drink 35% less milk on average when the flavor is gone. That came from an article by Severson. To qualify for federal money, public schools must serve milk. The against side, chocolate milk has more sugar than soda, almost 30 grams. That's a sugar overload. Chocolate milk contains unnatural sugar, so that's cane sugar or high fructose corn syrup. Again, from the Severson article. Too much milk can make kids too full to eat other healthier foods. So you may have found very similar information to this. So what we're going to do is get into some quick groups with the people around us. I handed out some numbers to you at the beginning of class. So if you are a 1, you will be standing by the window. If you are a 2, you're going to be standing by the cabinet. Pause the video now so that we can split sides of the room. Okay, so if you're a 1, you should be standing by the window. If you are a 2, you should be standing by the cabinets. Again, we're going to pause the video because you are going to match up with 1 or 2 people from the other side of the room. Go ahead and pause to match up. So you should have a partner from the other side of the room. If you started as a 1, you are for chocolate milk. You are for it. And if you started as a 2, you are against chocolate milk. So each of you is going to have to come up with one argument to support your side and evidence to back it up. One argument and a piece of evidence. Now, it may help to use some of these phrases. I take the position blank because blank, for example, blank. What you can also do is utilize this chart. So we're going to be starting the debates. I'm going to be setting a timer. Each side is going to get 1 minute to state their case. I challenge you to fill the entire minute. And also make sure you are listening to your opponent as they are speaking, because when they finish, you will comment on what you think their best piece of evidence may have been. So I'm going to put this chart back on, pause the video, and wait for the timer. Okay, so what we just did was a quick flash debate. It doesn't take too long, it isn't too fancy, but it makes you think. Today in your research groups, you'll be trying to have a mini flash debate just like this one. Half of your group will argue one side, while half the group argues the other. That will happen at the end. So for now, you're going to continue researching. We'll try a flash debate at the end of the workshop. Go ahead and get researching.